Hey, it's Mark from Alchemist Camp, and I'm going to show you how to get per field validations on a LiveView form. So we have a simple app here with everything related to users built out in LiveView. A very simple form that sends a validate event on any change, or actually as soon as we blur out of a field, since we have this Phoenix debounce blur on each field. And that event is handled by just putting the parameters that we've gotten from the form into a change set and then seeing if there are any errors in the change set, and those get propagated back to our UI. At the moment, anytime there's an error in any of the fields, say I enter an invalid email, we'll get errors on everything. Or if I enter an invalid website, that will be an error everywhere. Since websites are not required, they don't trigger the error elsewhere. That's not a very good UI. We should be getting just an error on the field that we just left instead of errors everywhere. Fortunately, it's a really simple fix. What we're going to do is we go to our app web and then go to views and then error helpers. We should have an error tag function that's generated for us by Phoenix, and it generates the spans where we show the errors. We're going to add a data attribute to it. So we'll say data, and that's going to be Phoenix error 4, and then we set that equal to field ID, passing it the form and the field. We'll save that, and now when we make a mistake on one field, we only get the error on that field. We have to make a mistake on other fields before we'll get errors there. If you found this useful, then subscribe and you will get more like it. Also, if you want to learn more about LiveView, check out the huge playlist at youtube.com/alchemistcamp. See you next time.